How to turn on or turn off RCS messaging on your iPhone. If you want to turn off RCS chat feature which is available under your settings, then this video is a cert guide to help you out. First of all, the first thing you need to do is launch the settings application and go to the general. There, tap on software update and check if new update is available. If there is new update, then simply hit on the update now button to update your system. Once you do that, go back to the settings homepage again and scroll down. There you will see a lot of applications. Among them you will see messages. Simply find out and go through messages. Once you go through the messages, you have to scroll down a little bit. There you will see RCS messaging option. Simply tap on that. Once you go through the RCS messaging, on the top, the very first option you will see is RCS messaging. You have to simply turn it on if you want to turn RCS chat feature, and if you want to turn it off, then simply toggle off that button. In this way, you can easily turn on or turn off RCS messaging on iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.